How to play Please Donate in Roblox. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Roblox website, and once opened, make sure you are signed in. Now go ahead and tap on the search bar there and search for Please Donate. Select the game developed by Hazam and tap on play to join the game. And now to start receiving donations, you will need to set up a donation booth. So here's how. Roblox requires you to link a game or a shirt to your booth for others to donate Robux to you. So go ahead and firstly create a game pass. Open the Roblox website and go to Create and select a game from your inventory. Then select Create Pass under the game settings and upload an image. Name your pass and add a description. Set the game pass price under Configure and then tap on the sales option you see there. Your game pass or shirt will automatically appear as a donation option in your booth. Now, use the chat feature to politely ask for donations or explain why you're raising Robux. You can also tap on other players' booths and purchase their items to donate. So, this is how you can play Please Donate in Roblox Mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.